And if we are universities committed to the facts, how can we lie about ourselves and be worthy of the trust that people give us? I didn't understand that. So the first and most important thing to me is that it was not a big deal to me. It was a question. And I always believed that universities are best at dealing with difficult issues because we have all the apparatus for doing it the right way, right? And what are they? Well, we look for differences of opinion. We have a variety of interlocutors. We value that. We accept skepticism. We know how to do research. We are given to be transparent in what we do. And at the end of the day, what we come out with, we believe has to withstand the scrutiny of history. So what's a better place to ask different questions than a university? In my view, there is no better place. If there's a better place, we should go out of business.